Closing the Gap: How Our Level Sensor Elevates Dosing Accuracy in Dosing Systems. In the world of precise chemical dosing, accuracy is paramount. Let's explore how our innovative level sensor, coupled with continuous adaptive calibration (CAC), is transforming the landscape of chemical consumption. Situational Challenge 1. Without a flow meter, there's a noticeable gap between estimated parameters and real results. Situational Breakthrough 2. Introducing the flow meter with its calibration coefficient aligning estimated and real consumption. But challenges persist. Temperature fluctuations, viscosity changes, all variables that impact calibration accuracy. The gap remains, leaving room for improvement. Situational Innovation 3. Enter our game changer, the level sensor. Wirelessly connected to IoT controllers in constant communication with the cloud. Our platform calculates real-time adjustments, factoring in temperature, viscosity, pressure, and more. The result? A calibration coefficient that adapts to the ever-changing environment. With the level sensor, we redefine precision, saying goodbye to significant gaps in consumption estimates. Enhance your efficiency. Elevate your chemical dosing with CM2W, redefining precision in every drop. Contact us today to revolutionize your dosing systems. Visit www.cm2w.net.